Baik, dan pemirsa kita akan bergabung dengan Menhol Bursa Efek Indonesia untuk bergabung dalam acara Inauguration of Indonesia International Carbon Trading.
Markets and carbon credit markets into a single platform with allow seamless trading for both. Of international trading display a readiness and completeness of IDX carbon system to support both domestic and cross-border carbon trading. This milestone could not have been achieved on our own, but is the result of strong synergy among stakeholders. We extend our deepest gratitude to the Financial Service Authority, or OJK, the Ministry of Environment, the Ministry of Forestry, the Ministry of Energy and Mines Resources, and other relevant parties for their invaluable support and contributions. Since the beginning, IDX Carbon has been worked hand in hand with the stakeholders to ensure the success and sustainability of this initiative symbolize of power of collective effort in achieving shared goals. We envision that the synergy would become stronger in the future. To the end of this speech, I'm inviting all carbon market stakeholders to unite this effort to push forward carbon trading ecosystem that bring positive contribution to Indonesia and also the world. As we take the giant step forward, we reaffirm our commitment to building a greener, more sustainable future where Indonesia takes lead in addressing the global challenge, the climate change. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
And next, we would like to hear the speech from the Chairman of the Board of Commissioners of the Indonesia Financial Services Authority, Mr. Mahendra Siregar. The time is yours.
Ini salah satu pidato yang bikin saya selalu stres nih. Karena liatin waktu nggak boleh lewat jam 9. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat pagi, salam sejahtera bagi kita semua. Om Swastiastu, Namo Buddhaya, salam kebajikan. Excellency Minister of Environment, Bapak Hanif Faisal Nurrafiq. Excellency Minister of Forestry, Bapak Raja Juli Antoni. Chief Executive of Capital Market, Financial Derivative and Carbon Exchange Supervision, OJK, Bapak Inarno Jayadi. Vice Minister of Environment, Bapak Dias Hendro Priyono. Head of the Fiscal Policy Agency, Bapak Febrio Kacaribu. His Excellency Ambassador and representatives of embassies and international organizations. Board of Commissioners and Directors of IDX Carbon and all leaders of business, banking, and representatives and associations. It is with great honor to welcome you to the launch of Indonesia International Carbon Trading, an important milestone in our efforts to collectively address the challenges of climate change to reduce carbon emissions and support sustainable practices. OJK acknowledges the efforts of all stakeholders involved in ensuring the successful implementation of this initiative. Such dedication highlights the importance of collaboration in achieving its national climate targets and promoting a robust carbon trading system. Therefore, we really highly appreciate the swift and coordinated efforts of the Ministry of Environment and relevant ministries in facilitating the opening of international carbon trading just 3 months after the new government under the leadership of President Prabowo Subianto. The collaborative efforts of all stakeholders in ensuring the successful implementation of this initiative highlight the importance of collaboration in achieving national climate targets and promoting a robust carbon trading ecosystem and supporting toward green economic growth. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, This commitment has been realized through synergy, collaboration, and coordination to establish a reliable carbon trading ecosystem as mandated by the Presidential Regulation 98 of 2021. And in relation to this international carbon trading, OJK has accommodated both domestic and international carbon units to be traded through the carbon exchange, including by foreign investors and foreign involvement in the carbon exchange. OJK fully supports the initiative of international carbon trading that involves foreign parties. Excellencies, ladies and gentlemen, today we will certainly reach an important milestone as the government of Indonesia and the carbon exchange commence international carbon unit trading. This trading will involve carbon units with guaranteed credibility and authorization by the Minister of Environment on behalf of the government of Indonesia. And may our collective efforts pave the way for a more resilient, effective, and secure future international carbon trading. We really deeply value your continued support and recognize the critical role of collaboration and coordination achieving this goal. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Mr. Mahendra, please remain on the stage for the inauguration. And we would like to invite on stage Mr. Hanif Faisal Nurafiq, Mr. Raja Juli Antoni, Mr. Inarno Jayadi, as well as Mr. Iman Rahman. The inauguration will be marked with the hand screen press by Chairman of OJK, the Minister of Environment, the Minister of Forestry, Chief Executive of Capital Market, Derivatives and Carbon Exchange Supervision OJK, and the President Director of IDX. Ladies and gentlemen, let's do the countdown together. From the count of 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And this officially marked that the Indonesia International Carbon Credit has been inaugurated. Please give a round of applause. Thank you. And for all the VIPs, please remain on stage for the group photo session. And you may step down to the second level of the stage. We would also like to invite other VIPs seated in the front row to join the photo session. All right, let's count together with the hands up pose. 3, 2, 1. All right, once more. We would like to invite the VIPs to use the hands up pose. All right, let's count it together once more. 3, 2, 1. All right, thank you. And for Mr. Hanif Faisal Nurafiq, please remain on stage for the keynote. And for other VIPs, you may return to your seat. We would like to invite Mr. Hanif Faisal Nurafiq, please remain on the stage. All right. Ladies and gentlemen, keynote speech by the Minister of Environment, Head of Environmental Management Agency of the Republic of Indonesia, Mr. Hanif Faisal Nurafiq. The time is yours.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bapak Ibu sekalian, ini hari yang sangat berbahagia untuk kita semua. Dan mohon izin, Pak Mahendra, saya ini jarang pakai jas, Pak. Jadi karena ini sangat penting sekali, jadi saya gunakan jas. Ini tepuk tangan untuk OJK dan teman-teman sekalian. Mohon izin kami menyampaikan sambutan dalam bentuk bahasa Inggris. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, Minister of Forestry, Bapak Raja Juli Antoni, Chairman of Board of Commissioners Indonesia Financial Services Authority, Bapak Mahendra Siregar, terima kasih Pak. Chief Executive of Capital Market, Financial Derivatives and Carbon Exchange Supervision, Pak Inarno Jayadi, terima kasih Pak. Vice Chairman of the Commission 12 of the House of Representatives of the Republic of Indonesia, belum datang Pak Sugeng Suparwoto. Head of the Fiscal Agency Policy Ministry of Finance, Bapak Febrio Kacaribu, PhD. Masih Pak. Ini rekan saya berjibaku, Vice Minister of Environment, Vice Head of Environmental Management Agency, Bapak Dias Hendro Priyono. Thank you Pak. Presiden Direktur Indonesia Stock Exchange, Bapak Imam Rahman. Pak Imam, terima kasih. Ambassador His Excellency Mr. PK Kahilati, Ambassador of the Republic of Finland to Indonesia, a representative of the invited embassies, representative from minister, partner, both from the private sector, state-owned enterprise, and representative of foreign company that we cannot mention one by one. It is on our honor to stand before you today, January 20, 2025, as we gather to mark an important milestone in our collective journey towards a sustainable future. This morning, we are in here for the launch of the International Carbon Trading at IDX Jakarta. This moment signifies the launch of international carbon trading, one of the biggest milestones in the implementation of the international carbon trading in Indonesia. The implementation of international carbon trading is a reflection of Indonesia's commitment following COP29, proving that Article 6 can be operationalized. This moment also strengthens efforts to encourage and accelerate the second nationally determined contribution, NDC, which will be submitted in mid-February 2025. As we all know, the government of Indonesia is striving to achieve NDC target, one of which is through the implementation of the carbon pricing mechanism, which includes carbon trading, emission trading, and emission offset, performance-based payment, result-based payment, RBB, carbon leakages, and other mechanisms in line with scientific and technology development. In accordance with the mandate in Presidential Regulation Number 98, 2021, the carbon trading mechanism as part of the implementation of the carbon pricing is carried out through the National Registry System of Climate Change, SRN-PPE. SRN-PPE serves as a platform for documenting every stage of the carbon unit trading process in detail, clarity principle. This process is then implemented under the regulated scheme based on the regulation derived from Presidential Regulation Number 98, 2021. The scheme is known as the Indonesia Greenhouse Gas Emission Reduction Certification Scheme, SPAE. And its efforts to build the transparent, integrity-driven, inclusive, and fair carbon system, the government of Indonesia has strengthened by key elements of the carbon ecosystem, including Nationally Registry System, SRN, Measurement, Reporting and Verification, MRV, Greenhouse Gas Emission Reduction Certificate, SPA-GRK, and Authorization and Correspondence Adjustment, CA, in international carbon trading. With this key element in place, it can be ensured that the emission reduction certificate SPA issued by Indonesia are of high integrity. To implement the mandate in accordance with regulation related to international carbon trading, which launched today, January 20, 2025, several projects have been prepared based on the carbon registry data, including operation on new power plant of nature gas of PLTGU, Priok Block 4 available for 595,000 ton CO2 equivalent. Conversion from single cycle to combined cycle on power plant of PLTGU, Grati Block 2 add-on available for 400,000 ton CO2 equivalent. Operation of mini hydro power plant Gunung Wugul available for 5,000 ton CO2 equivalent. Construction of new power plant of nature gas of PLTGU, PJB Muara Karang, Block 3 available for 750,000 ton CO2 equivalent. Conversion of single cycle to combined cycle on power plant of PLN and PUB Muara Tawar Block 2 available for 30,000 ton CO2 equivalent. Regarding carbon trading through the carbon exchange, SRN has interested with the carbon exchange operated by the Financial Service Authority, OJK. This interaction means that the both systems share data and report periodically on its transition and occurs. Concerning international transaction and alignment with existing regulation, its carbon unit transfer will be recorded for transaction with international actors, whether within the framework of cooperation of carbon pricing. The government of Indonesia guaranteed that every certificate issued for international carbon trading has been validated, authorized as part of the safeguarding against double accounting, double payment, and double claiming. Through the launch of the international carbon trading, it is hoped that this will serve as a foundation for global climate action that turn ambition into action, aligning economic growth with environmental responsibility. In conclusion, I urge each of us to seize this opportunity wholeheartedly. Let us use carbon trading not only as a tool to reduce emission, but also to inspire a global movement towards sustainability. We assure you that every certificate trade after 2021 will be registered and duly authorized. Together, we can ensure that the legacy of our generation is one of a correct collaboration and hope. Thank you, and let us enjoy this morning while inspiring ourselves to contribute to carbon trading for Indonesia. Thank you, Teru Wadumat. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Ladies and gentlemen, the next agenda is the praying session that will be led by Mr. Dery Yustria from Indonesia Stock Exchange. Mr. Dery Yustria, the time is yours.
Ya, pemirsa, baru saja kita simak peluncuran Bursa Karbon Internasional yang kemudian dihadiri OJK dan juga Bursa Efek Indonesia dan undangan VIP lainnya. Dan tetap bersama kami, kami akan segera kembali.